Welcome, friends. 8th September marks a remarkable day for the girl child, as this day is celebrated as National Girl Child Day. Also, the Catholic Church across the globe celebrates the birthday of Mother Mary, the feast of Nativity of Mother Mary. Let us ponder on this day's importance. Let us begin with the prayer. Every year, the birthday of beloved Mother Mary is celebrated on 8th September. The Church in India dedicates this day to the girl child. Every girl is a precious gift. She is born in the image and likeness of God, equal in dignity as much as a boy. Let us read the verse from the scriptures. Genesis chapter 1, line 27 to 28. God created humans in His own image. He created them to be like Himself. He created them male and female. God blessed them and said to them, "Have many children, fill the earth and take control of it. Rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the air. Rule over every living thing that moves over the earth." Unfortunately, many countries and cultures, the girl child carries negative images of discrimination and abusive treatment, for they are devalued by countless years of superstitious beliefs and misinformation. Cultures that believe that a girl child is inferior to the boy child subject her to strangling, drowning, abortion, and deny her the basic rights of childhood. Girls face and experience discrimination, reflection, and violence, often at the hands of the people closest to them, whom they look up to, love, and trust the most. Let us bring all this girl child in front of our eyes and pray to the Almighty. Let us pray for the girl child who is abused, neglected, sexually exploited, lacking education, rejected. O God of love, embrace these girls that they may face and may feel that they belong and are accepted within their families, community, and culture. Lord, lay your hands on the children. God of justice and truth, stop all the people and mechanisms that sexually exploit girls and liberate these girls to live in the freedom of the children of God. Discrimination and poverty deprive many girls of education, which keep them in poor health, restrict their prospects to a brighter future. Help us, Lord, to eradicate this with unity and truth. Let us pray for the girls who are rejected, those whose birth bring disappointment and sadness and viewed as a burden to the society. O God, send forth your light and your truth to all families gifted with the girl child, that they may rejoice at every gift of life, that every girl who feels rejected may experience restoration of her dignity and self worth and be emotionally strengthened to live her life to the full. Moving to the next point, importance of education in Indian society. Education in Indian society decreases in domestic and sexual violence that is done against the girl child or a woman, increases productivity and earnings. The girl or the woman of the house can contribute her earnings to fulfill the basic needs of the family. So poverty reduces effects. Poverty will also be slowly eradicated from the society. Improves health and nutrition. The healthy habits, healthy eating food habits and nutrition will be nurtured in the family. Lowers infant and child mortality rate. The death rate of infants will also be reduced. Future educated generation. As the girl is educated, we will have we will have our future generation as an educated generation. Every girl says, I have a dream too. Want to learn like you. So please educate a girl child. Educated future generation. By sending a girl to school, she is far more likely to ensure that her children also receive an education. इसीलिए कहा जाता है, मराठी में कहते हैं, in Marathi it is said, मुलगी शिकली प्रगती झाली. Decrease infant mortality. Children of educated women are less likely to die before their first birthday. Primary education alone helps reduce infant mortality significantly, and secondary education helps even more. Reasons behind not getting education. Indifference in attitude and practice against girl child, including their health and well-being. Illiterate parents and guardians have little awareness of the importance of education, particularly for girl children. Financial constraints of various types interfere in the education. Various domestic responsibilities, along with the necessity to earn money in low ages. No parental support. Discrimination on various bases like caste, religion, etc. Lack of aspiration, as only professional options are the traditional ones which don't require education. A girl getting education learns more than reading and arithmetic. She learns that she is important. She stands up for her rights. She goes after her dreams, and this kind of change happens very fast. Going back to the reasons, if we go back to the village side, to the countryside, we know the mentality of the people over there is very low. They feel that educating a girl is not important. Why? Because she has to look and take care of the family. She is not allowed to go out and to earn for her family. She is supposed to look after the younger siblings of the house. She is supposed only to be there in the kitchen, to taking care of the kitchen and of the domestic work in the house. And that is the reason why they deprive these girls from education. They think that she is not going to earn anything in the life, and this is how they deprive these girls from education. Evolution of girl child education in Indian in 2 decades. From past 2 decades, 20 years, what has the change taken place? We know that from past 20 years, a baby, even though it is a baby girl, is born in the family, she gets all the privileges in the family. She has started getting the respect in the family. She has been obeyed, being respected by the society. And so we see the girl is growing to the school, primary school, secondary, higher secondary, then college, and then to the degree. She has started getting higher education. Inspiring women of our 20th century. Although in the Vedic period women had access to education in India, they had gradually lost their right. However, in the British period, there was revival of interest in women's education in India. The growth of female literacy rate has gone up. Importance of education, of educating the girl child in India, in Indian society are as follows. Economic empowerment. Helpless condition can't be changed for men if the women are backward and depend on men for economic independence, and empowerment will come when they educate girl child. It might be easy to be a woman today in the 21st century, but it has not always been this way. There was a time when the word feminism or women empowerment wasn't even coined. There was a time when women struggled to break society's so called norms and achieve what they were truly born to be. This National Women Day or Girl Child Day and also Literacy Day, we round up a list of golden women who shone from the pages of our history books to become the inspiration to our lives. Some inspiring women from India are as unders. Savitribai Phule, along with her husband, was a pioneer of women's education in India. She began the first school along with her husband Jyotirao Phule for women in Pune, where she herself and her husband Jyotirao Phule accompanied each other and became the first teachers to educate women in India. Rani Lakshmibai, who gave a tough fight against the enemies. Kalpana Chawla. If they are able and capable to become these personalities, even we have this potential as we are the future citizens of our country, India. We can also do it. We are not less than them. Happy Girl Child Day. Thank you.